Hi everybody, it's Chris Gibson again, and I'm going to be a little up close and personal today because we're going to be putting product on skin the correct way. I had a lot of questions about how much product should I use, and usually what I find is people use too much product. So I'm going to go through some of the things that I use for my skin and show you kind of an example of how much to apply and how to apply it so that you're not using too much so you get irritated skin, and you're not using too much where you're wasting product that you spent money on. So I like to start with the vitamin C serum for me, and you just put a little under each eye and you spread it out in the areas that you want to treat. This is the same thing if you're using any kind of, AHA cream or lotion. You start in the middle and you move out. That way you don't get too much. So next, I like to use a moisturizer. So I'm going to be using a, let's see here what we got. I'm going to use the Sage and Citrus moisturizer that I have. It has peptides in it. So I'm going to place a little there, again, under this, right under the eye and over the nose and then out. All right. I'm going to show you how much of my finger should be going on your skin for your whole face. This is how much product right there. See, that's how much product you should have. Just barely enough to go across 4 fingers. It should be plenty. You want to apply products lightly. You don't want to cake them on. Again, you're wasting product and you can have the chance of irritating your skin. So that's what you do. You use tiny amounts and you move it out. And if you need to add more, you do. But you start in the middle and you go out to the outside and you use the least amount of product to get the biggest effect. So that's the secret to using products where they last for you and they work better. And again, always remember, before you apply any products to your skin, cleanse the skin and also exfoliate. At least every other day, do some sort of exfoliation routine so you're keeping that cellular turnover going, and that allows your products to work better for you. Hope you found this tip helpful. Please, if you did, subscribe, like the videos, ask me questions. It's Acne Awareness Month, so I'm putting out a lot of information that, it's a lot crammed into a month. So, but all of it's designed to help you, whether you have acne breakouts all the time, or you see severe acne, or whether you just have an occasional breakout. All of these tips are going to help you have great, clear skin. So look forward to providing you more information as we move along, and I'll be back soon.